Khubor Distrik tip Kham habayade bakajeng penjari ya kandon 144 CRPC hakasngi Niew bot ong unong aiktin ke NPP ba HM Shangpliang habakran berkilat patai Khubor hene kasni.
This debate relating to proclamation of Section 144 CRPC in the city on the day of counting, which has been declared by the Deputy Commissioner. I guess the Deputy Commissioner has explained in detail about the technicalities involved and justifying why he declared 144 CRPC on the day of the counting. But from the party, I would like to say only this, that we rely on the able hands of the district administration in completing the process of the election, and I guess declaring 144 CRPC is a routine matter after the law and order situation is assessed by the district administration on the basis of the reports that the DC receives from the police, and therefore we have nothing to say here. Law and order in the city or in the district is handled by the district administration, and therefore from our party, NPP, we have nothing to say on this. We leave it in the good hands of the district administration. We have full faith in the able administration of the DC and the SP of Shillong, and therefore we hope that all general public of the city would cooperate on that particular day. We wish every party the best, that they would come out success on the counting day, and also would maintain law and order throughout the day while they celebrate their victory. Thank you.